The front door to a unit opens and a man walks towards us into the room. He has short dark-toned hair, wears eyeglasses, and has a goatee. He wears a dark-toned t-shirt tucked into medium-toned pants. Two side-by-side graphics are in the upper right corner of the screen. The first is an abstract graphic of a house. Text under graphic, equal housing opportunity. The second graphic is an abstract image of a person sitting in a wheelchair.
Okay, Josh. What is shared living at Westerly House all about?
Oh, shared living at Westerly House is all about having a space with the luxuries of a regular apartment, but not the price tag.
How do utilities work?
Utilities are included in your community fee. That includes your electric, water, everything like that is already bundled into your price for you.
Why do residents like having utilities bundled?
They like having utilities bundled because that way they don't have to worry about budgeting or prices changing from month to month.
He stands in the kitchen, which is recessed lighting and includes, among other things, a glass-top stove with over-the-range microwave, a stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel refrigerator, light-toned countertops, medium-toned tile backsplash, light-toned upper cabinets and dark-toned lower cabinets.
Can you talk about privacy in the shared living units, starting with the bedrooms?
So the bedrooms all have their own individual lock on them that's unique to that resident. That way no one can access their space except for them.
What does that add to the experience?
That allows them to roam around, to use the shared space, but still feel secure with their belongings being in their own bedroom.
What's included in someone's room when they move in?
What's included in their room is their mattress, bed frame, dresser. All that's going to be included in there for you when you move in.
What about the shared spaces?
The shared spaces come with a couch, a TV stand, a common area kitchen, wares is all the way down to your forks. Everything is here ready for you. You just need a suitcase to move in.
What do residents usually say about that?
Residents love that because it provides a convenience and they're able to move into their apartment right away.
We face the complex on a sunny day. In the center of the U formation is an in-ground pool with lounge chairs and trees. Text on screen with abstract W logo, Westerly House.